Hello, this is my project Phantom. When a new developer joins a project, they don't read your intention, they experience your setup. And most repositories silently fail that experience. So we built Phantom, an AI developer that joins your repo and tells you exactly what hurts. You just paste the GitHub repository link, Phantom clones it, install dependencies, and run, build, and test. And instead of guessing, it shows you the real onboarding experience. So let us get started by pasting the repository link. So this is a repository of one of my project with my team. So let us scan it and see. So Phantom is started scanning. The repository is being cloned by the robo Phantom. You can see that detected node language is JavaScript, branch is backend branch, and you can see each and every command which is Phantom running in the backend. It is running npm install. Out of 7 steps, 5 are being done. A snapshot is ready, and your DX score is in front of you. So first of all, read the Phantom feedback. Pretty solid overall, but found few things that can be resolved and can be smoothed out. Our score is 70 out of 100, which is the good one. You can see the breakthrough of this score. It is, giving the points like documentation out of 20 you get 15 points. Our repository get 15 points. On the basis of code structure, we got 10 on 10 point. Testing, out of 15 we have got 5 points only. So you can see that on each of the track it is recommending the things. You can also see the track covered by the hackathon. So let us come on the feedback, that this is the feedback what Phantom is giving, that there is a structured code base and comprehensive documentation, but still the project rely on Vercel, and there are something which lags behind, which we'll see further. There's a feature of time to first commit which predict that if you are going ahead without these fixes, then you can, you know waste your 0.9 days in implementing these physics and doing your first commit. But with the help of Phantom, this can be reduced to 0.1 days, which is 89% faster. You can see the friction breakdown. That environment setup can take up to 2.5 hour. Build friction can take up to 1.5 hour. CI/CD confusion can take up to 1 hour. So all these are the things resolved by Phantom prior you do. So as being the new developer, you can see that there is a well structured code, but there is lack of comprehensive documentation and .env example file. Critical issues are missing .env example and insufficient test coverages. Quick wins, that in 5 minutes one can set up .env.example files and improve readme documentation, which will help new developers to set up the project. So you can see the critical issues also and quick wins also, which will help you a lot in setting up the project for as being the new developer, and also on the contrast that you will provide this project to anybody else. So you can see that current score is 72. If we solve this issue of missing .env example, then our DX score will rise up to 75. Insufficient test coverages, if we resolve it, then our DX score will rise up to 83 points. And also adding quick wins part, our DX score can rise up to 88 points. So these are the 4 things if we set up, then our repositories is much more ahead than the before thing. You can see here show before and after. Before, new developers may struggle to set up the project and understand its requirement, but after it, with improved documentation and improved .env example file, new developer can easily set up and start contributing to the project. We have the feature of chat also. You can ask Phantom about your result. Suppose I would like to ask that I am getting confused. So I can ask what should I fix first. So Phantom will answer your query, and depending on the result of the repository, it will tell you that what you should do first. Right, let's tackle the missing.env example file. Yes, it is a quick win. You can do this in a much more simple way, and lot of the problem will be resolved. Like adding required environment variable db host. You can ask any other thing also about the issues you are getting in the repository and about all these issues that Phantom has highlighted. There is a feature of sharing your scorecard, your DX scorecard. You can watch the repository also. There is one more feature of generating the fixed PR. All of the things, all of the issues you are facing, its PR can be generated. So let us click on it. So this will be requiring the GitHub token, which I already have. I have copied it, I have pasted it down. So when you click on the generate fixed PR on GitHub, it will be creating and updating .env example contributing.md, which will help you in setting up the project. You can see that 3 files committed to Phantom DX fixes. PR is created and these 3 files. When these 3, and you can view the pull request also. So you can see these are the 3 files added and updated. Add issues are being addressed, missing files, insufficient test coverages, and the whole thing. So this is the project Phantom. Before you dive into the code, the Phantom will dive and do the things on behalf of you. Where you will spend time unnecessarily, he will do the things for you. With this, I would like to wind up. Thank you.